Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your carrier supports 4G or 5G where you are and that your data plan is active. Once done, turn on mobile data and temporarily disable Wi-Fi so you measure true cellular speed. Also close heavy background apps and set your phone to a performance power mode. This reduces CPU throttling and prevents apps from hogging bandwidth. These initial steps ensure you're testing the phone under real-world mobile conditions and give you an accurate baseline to improve from. Now you dig into detailed optimization. Switch your network mode to 5G or 4G LTE depending on coverage, because higher modes deliver lower latency and higher throughput. Next, choose a lightweight browser and enable its data saving option to reduce page load size. This helps when signals fluctuate. Make sure app background refresh and auto-sync are limited to essential apps only, which frees up bandwidth for foreground tasks. Finally, restart the modem/radio by toggling airplane mode for a fresh connection handshake with the tower. Finish by validating results and securing your connection. Run a few speed tests at different times and locations so you can compare latency and throughput to carrier expectations. Use a reputable VPN only when necessary, and switch servers if speeds drop. VPNs can both help and hurt performance depending on routing. If things go wrong, reboot the phone, reseat the SIM card, and move toward an open sky location to improve signal. If problems persist, contact your carrier with test logs and exact times for faster diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.